Writing an ebook, learning step by step. They say the simplest thanks to making money on the web is to make your own ebook. Guys, if this is your first time seeing a video on this channel, please subscribe by clicking the bell icon, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. Wow! That's an easy statement, but does one know what's involved? I'll attempt to explain what I even have learned and that I am learning while I'm creating my very own ebook. If you recognize what you would like to make, you're already on your way. But, if you're unsure what information you've got stored in your years of living well, it are often difficult. I found the simplest thanks to brainstorm is to write down your ideas, experiences and knowledge down on a bit of paper, then do research to work out what people are trying to find on internet. Research. To determine if your product, idea, or info knowledge will fly, you want to do research. Attend Word Tracker or Overture and see what percentage times people within the month were trying to find what you would like to write down about. This will offer you a thought if it's a viable product. Also do a straight search in Google and Yahoo for your keywords, and see what turns up. Investigate a number of the sites. You'll be surprised that you simply have a totally slant on the knowledge you would like to present in an ebook, which may be a good thing. Writing. If you think that your ebook may fly, then it's time to write down. Create it in HTML or a text format, using Word or Notepad. Next, you'll create an ebook cover. Search some free ebook covers that you simply can choose between, and an online tool during which you'll add the title of the book onto the ebook cover. If you don't find these free ebook covers and tools to your liking, then you'll purchase software to make your own ebook cover or pay somebody else to try to do it for you. Once you've got your ebook completed, it's time to urge it bent the masses. I would suggest submitting your ebook to ClickBank or Payloads. However, if this is often your first ebook, I might strongly suggest that you simply give Payloads a better look. From my very own research, it's reasonable. You upload your ebook to their server, which eliminates your got to make your ebook available to the customer, and therefore the payment goes through your PayPal account. Just click, design and publish your own ebooks. Reports and white papers in minutes. Never again will you have to waste hours searching for a good designer on freelance sites. Wait 5 to 14 days for the designer to come back only to hate it. Spend $100, $500 per design template from stock websites. Lose hours writing all the content from scratch. Burn $250, $650 hiring a freelance writer online. Get frustrated because it's taking forever. If you want more detailed information and expertise about how to create an ebook, look for the link in the description box and click it to learn more about creating ebook from specialists. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.